Join us this October for another exciting Africa Higher Education Centers of Excellence for Development Impact ACE Impact Project Workshop on Tuesday, 22nd October 2024 at 9 o'clock GMT. The World Bank, the Association of African Universities, and the French Development Agency will host the 12th ACE Impact Regional Workshop virtually on Zoom. We invite all 53 center leaders and project team members, vice-chancellors of host universities, project steering committee members, and other African higher education and project stakeholders to participate. This one-day event will focus on reviewing progress of the ACE Impact project, providing technical and operational support to address specific challenges, sharing updates on the upcoming activities, and offering guidance on project restructuring and closure requirements. The workshop will be preceded by the Project Steering Committee meeting on 21st October 2024 for members only. And there's more. The 12th ACE Impact Regional Workshop will provide a pathway for next year's ACE at 10 Grand Celebration and project closure. Participating stakeholders are expected to follow this link to register. For more information, send an email to smkandariri@aau.org.